Rajasthan has so much to offer, and with long distances between destinations, careful planning becomes essential for a Rajasthan holiday. This video by Polama will guide you through planning your Rajasthan trip. If you want to include all the major destinations in Rajasthan, we suggest you do the 7-night 8 days itinerary, which covers Jaipur, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer and Udaipur. We highly recommend that you hire a car in Rajasthan. With good roads across the state, it's really the best way to tour because it means you can travel at your own pace and avoid public transport. On the day you arrive, you can head to Old Jaipur for a quick snack and some shopping. We highly recommend the sweet shop of LMB, expanded as Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar, at Johri Bazaar for a light snack called chaat, and then head to the shopping streets. For local shopping and knickknacks, head to Bapu Bazaar, Nehru Bazaar or Tripolia Bazaar. If you're looking for handicrafts showroom or government-approved emporiums, then head to MI Road or Amer Road. Lacquerware products, handmade puppets, gemstones and fabrics are the typical souvenirs from Rajasthan. A useful shopping tip for local shopping? Do not forget to haggle and get the originally quoted price down before you actually buy anything. After your shopping, visit Chaukidani, an ethnic village, for a traditional Rajasthani dinner and a glimpse of Rajasthani culture like folk music, folk dances and puppet shows. On your Jaipur sightseeing tour today, you can first visit Amer Fort. The fort's artistic quality and intricate work undoubtedly captivates any visitor. Hitch an elephant ride near the fort, which provides a great view of the fort and the hills. Once you reach the top, you can disembark and proceed inside the palace. Next, head to the City Palace, a palatial complex divided into a series of gardens, courtyards and exquisite buildings. Also visit the nearby Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal or Palace of Wind, which is a unique 5-storied facade built in pink sandstone with nearly 1,000 latticework windows. Today, you can drive to Udaipur via Pushkar. If you like temples, you can visit the Brahma temple at Pushkar. Every year during the full moon of Kartika, usually October or November, Pushkar draws thousands of people to the annual camel fair. Continue your journey to Udaipur, which is cited as one of the most romantic cities across the globe. Seated amidst the Aravalli ranges, Udaipur is the land of captivating lakes, opulent palaces and holy temples. In the evening, it's recommended you take a boat ride at the Lake Pichola. Here, you can see the luxurious Lake Palace Hotel or Jagnivas Palace, where the James Bond movie Octopussy was shot. On your Udaipur sightseeing tour today, you can visit the City Palace complex, the largest palace in Rajasthan. The complex houses 11 different palaces and many other palatial structures contributed by 76 generations of Sisodia Rajputs. If you have time, visit one of the numerous lavish Havelis at Udaipur. At Bagor Ki Haveli, you can get your picture taken next to the world's largest turban. In the evening, soak in the views of the city from any of the rooftop restaurants near the lake. Today, drive to Jodhpur and en route visit the spectacular Jain temple of Ranakpur. Continue your journey to Jodhpur, which was founded in 1459 by Rao Jodha. Jodhpur has earned the sobriquet of Blue City owing to the many houses around the fort that are awash in indigo or blue. The highlight of Jodhpur is the Mehrangarh Fort. Enclosed by impregnable walls, it is one of the largest forts in India. Also visit the nearby Jaswant Thada. Today, drive to Jaisalmer, also called the Golden City of India. In the evening, enjoy a camel ride on the golden sands of the Thar Desert and witness a mesmerizing sunset over the dunes. On your Jaisalmer sightseeing tour today, visit the Jaisalmer Fort, the only living fort in the world. You can also visit some of the stunning Havelis within the fort. If you have time, visit the royal cenotaphs of Maharajas of Jaisalmer at Bada Bagh and the Gadiskar Lake. On the last day of your tour, drive back to Jodhpur for a homebound journey. Since there are no airports in Jaisalmer, this little backtracking is inevitable. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this edition. Do look at our range of devised Rajasthan itineraries for more options. If you want any help designing your holiday, reach us at 080 3054 3399. You can also visit our website for a range of Rajasthan tour packages.